Warm wishes to everyone. Today, we students of MSc Nursing second year are going to perform a procedure on cardiopulmonary resuscitation. CPR is institution of external cardiac compression and ventilation that promote blood flow to heart and brain. CPR sequence is CAB, C for circulation, A for airway, and B for breathing. Indication for CPR are cardiac arrest, which include asystole, ventricular fibrillation, ventricular tachycardia, pulseless electrical activity. In respiratory arrest include drowning, stroke, airway obstruction, accident, and coma. The contraindication for CPR includes DNR, that is, do not resuscitate order, and refracture. If you see a child or adult suddenly collapse, it is important to act fast. Helping to save a life is easier than you might think. Just start hand-only CPR. The first step of CPR is to check for responsiveness. Shake the victim's shoulder and shout, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" If no response, call your emergency number. Then get directly over the victim. Remove clothing. Then check for carotid pulse by using two fingers side across to you for about 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And check for brachial pulse in children. If you don't feel pulse, start with chest compression. Ensure that victim is on firm surface and in supine position. Place heel of hand over lower half of body of sternum between the nipple. Interlock hand and compress the chest. Keep those arms as straight as possible as it will help body weight drive the compression down and maintain proper depth and deliver 30 compression. In adult, depth of compression is 2 inches. In children, it's about 1.5 to 2 inch. The rate of compression should be at least 100 to 120 per minute. After initial 30 compression, assess and establish airway by doing head tilt, chin lift maneuver. You have to lean in, look at chest raising and listen for breathing to 5 to 6 seconds. If there is no breathing, pinch the victim nose and give 2 breaths by mouth to mouth. Repeat with 30 compression to 2 breaths for 5 cycles. Maintain ventilation and compression ratio 1 or 2 rescuer. Rate of compression to ventilation in adult is 30:2 for 1 or 2 rescuer. In children, 30:2 for single rescuer and 15:2 for 2 rescuer. Medication which are administered during CPR. For shockable rhythm, adrenaline 10 microgram per kg of body weight, amiodarone 5 mg per kg of body weight, and in non-shockable rhythm, adrenaline 10 microgram per kg of body weight. These medicines are given intravenously to the patient. World Heart Day is celebrated on September 29 every year. For more updates, you can refer to these organizations. Your action can save someone's life. Thank you.